Sup everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're talking about the SMC Factory token. Now this token was trending number 1 yesterday in the base section on Dex Screener. Today it's trending number 3. Today it's still up 136% in the past 24 hours. And they have $1 million worth of trades today. Very popular token on the Base blockchain. We're going to talk about the info on this token, how you can get it, all that type of stuff in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find it on Base Scan. The chart is going to be on Dex Tools and Dex Screener. 18 decimal places on this token. So far they have 1,683 holders. There is a max total supply of 100 billion SMC Factory tokens. Ticker symbol is SMCF. Now, like I said, $1 million worth of trades just in the past 24 hours. They've had over 3,000 transactions today. $1.7 million market cap and fully diluted valuation. 6 different liquidity providers for Uniswap with a liquidity pool of over $500,000 right now in the Uniswap DEX. So SMC Factory is a live autonomous artificial intelligent agent project on the Base chain that operates as a startup factory with 0 ongoing human input. It discovers, validates, builds, ships, and monetizes real products, starting with DeFi tools, so decentralized finance tools. The token is tied directly to this AI-driven factory system. So the core concept and how autonomous factory works, well, SMC Factory, aka OXSMC, runs on Gstack, an open source framework by Gary Tan, the YC CEO, that turns a single AI like Claude into a full virtual engineering team with specialized skills, roles like CEO, engineer, CSO, security, designer, etc. The factory follows a strict 3-phase pipeline with 0 human intervention after initial setup. So number 1, discover. Scans X, aka Twitter, the web, and DeFi for opportunities, which leads to generating a product brief, plus revenue model, plus build estimate. Number 2, validate, which is called the Gauntlet, runs 6+ forcing reviews. So YC style, office hours, CEO scope challenge, engineering architecture review, design, security, CSO audit, adversarial codex review, rejects most ideas. And number 3, build plus ship, writes code, runs tests, fixes bugs, QA, deploys, and documents. So includes self-improvement, logs anti-patterns from failures, and preferences from successes for future runs. So a custom responder using Anthropic API plus Claude Agent SDK auto-answers any interactive Gstack prompts without humans. Everything is logged for audit. The first validation run, so Community Liquidity Engine, passed autonomously on March 25th, 2026, using 4 skills at a cost of just $1.38. So a lot of this information is on their GitHub. You can also find a web page link on DEX Screener, along with their X account. I'm going to put their X in the corner of the screen there, and a Telegram as well, along with their BSC scan. Now, this token basically, and a full document section as well. Now, this token basically just came out 14 hours ago on Uniswap, so it's a very brand new token. There's also Aerodrome, so you can get it off Uniswap, it says here, but one way to get this token, which is optimal for price, Mexc Global has a DEX Plus, a decentralized exchange plus. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens, a decentralized wallet. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, would be fitting for base tokens, but you could also use a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. Download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Base. Now, you can fund your wallet with Base from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use in the description box of this video. Also, some QR codes in the corner of the screen. Fund your wallet with Base, and you could go to Uniswap in your dApps, or you could go to Mexc Global's DEX Plus after you open an Mexc account. Connect your wallet to the DEX Plus. Copy paste the contract address you can find on their webpage or Base Scan or DEX Screener, DEX Tools chart. And then Mexc will actually search all of the decentralized exchanges to find you the best possible price. So it'll search Aerodrome, Uniswap, and any other base scans where the base dexes where the token is listed, and find you the best possible current price. So that's a cool feature of Mexc. Check that out. Now, they have here the contract address. It says total supply 100 billion tokens fully circulating. So FDV equals market cap, no vesting, team allocations apparent. So the current stats, it's got the price on DEX Screener that you could check out there. It says taxes, none mentioned. Standard ERC20, no buy and sell fees are reported. LP burned or renounced in typical fashion for these launches. Utility governance not fully detailed yet. It's still in early stages. But the token represents ownership and stake in the autonomous factory ecosystem. Future products may integrate it, and no explicit allocation breakdown beyond fully circulating. So it's a utility project token tied to real shipped code and not just a pure meme token. But yeah, go check it all out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.